Hi, I am Thiruvenkatam. I am recently completed Master Data Science program in Guvi. My batch code is DW34. The overall course is beneficial to me. About the curriculum of the course, to explain about the curriculum of the course, it covered about all the basic knowledge you need to know about data science to enter into the data science job. It's suitable for both technical and non-technical background. I am basically from non-technical background, from mathematics. Throughout our journey, we did many projects. It's useful for me to improve my skills in coding, and I wish to thank all the mentors who helped me throughout this journey. And I wish to thank Santosh sir who kindly answered all my doubts, and I wish to thank Kaushik sir who helped me to understand the core concepts of machine learning, which has helped me in the capstone project I did in the final week. I wish to thank the doubt clearance team, to the mentor team and the DS placement team, and I am thankful to Guvi to give me the wonderful opportunity to pursue my dream in data science. Thank you.